Hello, welcome to my BS thesis entitled Evaluating Geospatial Efficiency of Facilities through Dirichlet Tessellation Areas and Centroid Proximity Analysis. Accessibility of facilities is a major component of a geospatially well-constructed community. Hence, we expect that access to such is of the most convenience to users and residents. We want to examine how geospatially efficient facilities are in the country. In other words, are services easily accessible to users? We also look into the coverage area to how establishments are distributed throughout the country. Lastly, we identify proximity of backup facilities to determine if the network of facilities is truly robust enough. How does one gauge the accessibility of facilities? We demonstrate the analysis using land bank automated teller machines found in the National Capital Region of the Philippines and scale it to the entire country on a municipality level. For verification, an application of Dirichlet tessellation diagrams and centroid proximity can be used to give us an idea of the geographic effectiveness of a facility. We define Dirichlet tessellations as the partitioning of an area into smaller regions which are closest to a given set of points. For each tessellation, there exists a centroid such that every point in the partition is closer to its own tessellation than any other tessellation found in the diagram. In doing so, we are able to identify the coverage area and nearest backup facility of every ATM. In the National Capital Region, our analysis shows that 68% of the ATMs have a coverage area less than or equal to 1.25 square kilometers, and 70% of the automated teller machines have a backup facility less than 500 meters away. We classify ATMs in highly urbanized area into residential sites and social congregation sites. For the entire country, we apply principal component analysis to describe and cluster ATMs per municipality. Our analysis shows that ATMs can be grouped in terms of rural, semi-urban, and highly urbanized regions. Furthermore, PCA also relates the degree of spread or inhomogeneity to how urbanized a municipality is. See you there.